everybody. Morning from the flight deck. This So life must be good over here, huh?
Yes, sir.
Heaven every day?
Life is good. Heaven here on earth.
I bet. Yo, what's up guys? It's your man AJ. We just landed in Bahamas, guys. And this is the spot, check it out guys. We got a beach house for the week. We're over here at Black Point Beach, Bahamas, population 250. We're over here at a deserted island. Barely anybody out here. That's how I like it, gotta stay away from the tourists. Check it out. There's our spot right here. There's my little room for the week. Man, this spot's dope. Yeah, man, so there's gonna be a lot of sharks, a lot of rays, and as I always say, another day, another manta ray. You dig? Your boy Jizzle, man, we live in Bahamas, baby. Let's get it.
Whoa, big old rock. Going down to the beach, guys.
Got the whole beach to ourselves, man. See that? Yo!
Oh my gosh, we just got out of this thing. Get out of here before it gets dark. 5 years to beach. We can't go back here anymore, but I want. Wait, we came to the left, baby. Oh, okay, we got it. Okay, we got it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's scary, guys. Are you okay? This is my beautiful driver. He saved us. Thank you, Princeton. You saved us, buddy. Thank you. I love you. Oh, let's get out of here. The outfit of the day. It's my orange nails. Cute. Yes. Bought it from Amazon. Description down below. Eggs going on here cooking. This is an electric gas oven. Gas stove top. We're cooking eggs for AJ. We got 4 eggs left. 3 packages of noodles left. Water and of course my coconut, guys. I love my coconut. I have to always have my coconut. But actually, this is crazy. It's from Thailand. You would think it's from Bahamas. But this really teaches us a lesson, guys, that, you know, on the island, you gotta preserve. You can't just have abundance and stuff, but it really makes you treasure the things that you do have. Hey guys, good morning. We are going on boat today. One of the 4 restaurants that are on the island. Hey, cute birdie. Good morning. Look how clear this water is. Absolutely clear.
What's up, guys? Good morning, world. We are headed to explore the island. Gonna hop on this boat right here and go explore this island. Yeah. Hey, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Let's take to you. No worries, no worries.
Him and his kids, and nowadays, so now they're protected.
Yo, check out these boys right here, man.
Oh my God.
Yo! We over here. Right now, guys. See them boys? Yo, buddy. What up, guys? We over here with the sharks today. As you can see, my buddy number 1, number 2, number 3. 3 buddies. Yo, we're swimming with the sharks today, man.
Super hard.
What do you want me to do, Dad?
Come on, sit down here. Before you drink
Okay. 3, 2.
Beautiful. Oh, clear blue water. Right, Kristen?
Yo, we are in the middle of the ocean, man. See that? In the middle of nowhere. Yo, check it out, guys. We stopped in somewhere for lunch. Check out this restaurant. Real nice. Yo, we grubbing around here, man. Say what up, Princess? Check out the view. Jizzle Baby.
PrinceIJ.com